If you're still watching YouTube videos about real estate but haven't made your first move, this is the moment you've been waiting for. I'm Sid Hameed, and I just released something that will change how you think about building wealth through real estate for free. My ebook, Real Estate Investing 2025 Strategies and Tactics, gives you the exact roadmap to start, even if you have no experience or limited cash. Inside, I break down the truth about how real estate really works today, how to analyze market trends like a pro, creative funding strategies to get deals done, what to look out for in managing properties, and the legal landmines to avoid at all costs. If you're serious about escaping the paycheck to paycheck cycle and building generational wealth, this is your blueprint. No fluff, no gimmicks, just real strategies that work. Download it right now. The link's below. Let's build together.